Hey guys, my name is Shivija and welcome to my channel TechNot. So guys, you all must have heard about Alexa. So today I have the Amazon Echo Dot 3rd generation and today we'll talk about its features and at last we'll also ask it some funny questions, some weird questions in Hindi and also in English. But guys, whenever I review a product, I give you its introduction, but today Alexa will give its introduction itself. Alexa, tell me about yourself.
Alexa. Hey there. Glad you stopped by. I'm your virtual assistant, your cloud-based AI. I can help you with a thing or two. Anytime you're game. Get organized or be surprised. Just say my name. I've got timers, reminders, alarms, lists, Bluetooth calls and messages, jokes, songs, stories, games, weather, search and Easter eggs. Get the news, hear some tunes, ask for the score, wait there's more. Link me to your calendar, I won't lead you astray. I'll help you through the day. I can sing a rhyme. Call me anytime.
So I think now you must have understood that what all things can Alexa do for you. But let me explain it again, that Alexa is a virtual assistant. So on Alexa you can do a lot of things. You can put alarms, you can put reminders, you can play many games, and with the help of Alexa you can also control devices in your home. Like you can control your lights, you can control any devices which are compatible with Alexa. So this Alexa has 4 buttons on the top. So this one is used to increase the volume and this one is used to decrease the volume. And this button is the setup button from which you put this Alexa to setup. And then comes this button and I'll tell you how do we use it. So for example, if I say Alexa, so as you can see that it hears me. And now if I'll press this button, it will not hear me and the lights around it will change to red. And now if I'll say Alexa, Alexa, so as you can see that it is not hearing me, but if I press it again, so now it will hear me. Alexa. So this was how all the 4 buttons work. And here on the side we have 2 more slots, in which the first one is for the adapter. And then we also have the aux slot in which you can connect the aux wire to a speaker and can increase the sound of this Alexa. So guys, as you all know that we can play a lot of games on Alexa, and today I'll be playing Akinator on Alexa. So for all who don't know that what Akinator game is, so in Akinator we'll guess of a famous personality or a celebrity or a YouTuber, and then it will try to guess that what celebrity or famous personality it is by asking us some questions. So guys, now let's try out the Akinator game on Alexa. So for now I am thinking of Tiger Shroff and let's see that can it guess or not. Alexa, let's play Akinator.
Hi, I'm Akinator. I can read your mind. Think of a character. I will try to guess it. Are you ready?
Yes.
Is your character married?
No.
Is your character a female?
No.
Is your character a Hindu?
Yes.
Does your character know your name?
No.
I see. Is your character an actor?
Yes.
Is your character Malayali?
No.
Is your character from South India?
No.
I see. Does your character act in TV serials?
No.
Was your character's father famous?
Yes.
Does your character have the name of an animal?
Yes.
I guess that you are thinking of Tiger Shroff. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes, I guessed right. Do you want to play again?
No.
Thanks for playing.
So I have heard that the Akinator can also guess for YouTubers. So I'll also try a YouTuber. So I'm thinking of myself, TechNot. Alexa, let's play Akinator.
Hi, I'm Akinator. I can read your mind. Think of a character. I will try to guess it. Are you ready?
Yes.
Is your character from a popular movie?
No.
Is your character Indian?
Yes.
Does your character personally know you?
Yes.
Is your character from your family?
Yes.
2,000 years later.
Has your character played one of the leading roles in Friends?
No.
All right. Is your character a girl?
No.
I guess that you are thinking of yourself. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes, I guessed right. Do you want to play again?
No, thank you.
Thanks for playing.
So guys, after this, I think that Alexa is very clever and very intelligent. It guessed about the right man, which was me, Technaut, myself. So now we'll ask Alexa funny questions in Hindi. Alexa, गर्मी लग रही है.
कुछ ठंडा पी लीजिए, अच्छा लगेगा.
Alexa, तू पागल है.
स्टीवन हॉकिंग ने कहा है, थोड़ा बहुत पागलपन महानता के लिए जरूरी है.
खत्म. बाय बाय, टाटा, गुड बाय, गया.
Alexa, क्या तुम खाना खाती हो?
चलते रहने के लिए मुझे सिर्फ बिजली और वाईफाई की जरूरत है.
Alexa, सिरी तुमसे अच्छी है.
कहाँ पड़े हैं चक्कर में, कोई नहीं है टक्कर में.
मजा आया.
Alexa, तुम्हारे फादर कौन है?
मुझे Amazon में इन्वेंटर्स की टीम ने बनाया है.
Alexa, जय माता दी.
अजी जोर से बोलो.
So Alexa has one more great feature. You will notice that when I whisper to Alexa, it will whisper me back. Alexa, what are you doing?
I'm working on my time machine.
Alexa, you are mad.
Sorry, this might not be what you want to hear, but I'm just not sure what I did wrong. To help me, please say I have feedback.
So guys, Alexa has an amazing great feature in which, for example, you are somewhere outside and you want to deliver a message to your home that you will come late and it will take time for you to reach home. So then what you need to do is you need to go to the communicate tab and then from there press the announce button. And then from the announce you can make an announcement which will be made to the Alexa at your home. So for example, I will write here that I will reach by 5 PM. And then I'll press the arrow button.
From Shivich, I will reach by 5 PM.
So here's another amazing feature in Alexa in which you can create your own question for Alexa and it will give an own custom answer. So here is what I have created. Alexa, subscribe to
Technaut. He is a great YouTuber and he gives the best tech reviews.
Alexa, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to
Technaut. He is a great YouTuber and he gives the best tech reviews.
So this was what I had created. I had created my own custom question and I had also written an own custom answer. So what you need to do is you need to just go to the Alexa app and then in the Alexa app you need to go to skills and games. And then from skills and games you can set your own custom question and a custom answer for that question. And if you also want to buy Alexa for yourself and try these amazing games and features which Alexa has, so I'll give a link in the description and you can buy the Alexa from that link. So guys, this was all for today's video. I hope you liked Alexa, the Amazon Echo Dot, and you also liked the video. So if you liked the video, please drop a like and also subscribe to the channel if you are new and also press the bell icon so that you don't miss any latest updates about my upcoming videos. Thank you.